This Buick LaCrosse boasts a gas V6 3.6 liters engine powering this automatic transmission. Cruise control, wheels, 20, 50.8 cm, aluminum alloy, includes F45, chassis continuously variable real-time damping, transmission, 8-speed automatic, electronically controlled with overdrive includes driver shift control, STD. This Buick LaCrosse comes equipped with these options. Sun and shade package includes CEU, tilt sliding power panoramic moonroof and DB3, power rear sunshade. Sights and sounds package includes IO6, Buick IntelliLink radio with navigation and UQS, Bose Centerpoint surround sound. Driver confidence package number 2 includes UFQ, automatic park assist, UKJ, front pedestrian detection, UGN, front automatic braking and KSG, adaptive cruise control, sunshade, power, rear. Premium preferred equipment group includes standard equipment, moonroof, power, panoramic, front automatic braking, engine, 3.6 liters V6, DI, VVT with cylinder deactivation, 310 horsepower, 231 kilowatts, at 6,800 revolutions per minute, 282 pounds-to-foot of torque, 383 Nm, at 5,200 revolutions per minute. STD, engine block heater, ebony, perforated leather appointed seat trim with ebony interior accents. Stop by today, test drive this must-see, must-drive, must-own beauty and get a hassle-free deal today at Laird Wheaton, 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia V9T3L3.